Sid, good luck. Next question from Hillary. The question is, should I make some of my course freely available to entice people to take the whole course? And
Yeah.
Mary is asking the same thing. Oh, and there's a second part. Do you want the second part now?
Well, the answer to the first question is yes.
Okay, that was quick. Second part of the question is, should I market my course on one platform, e.g. Twitter, or go for Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc.?
Oh yeah, everything. Yeah, my God, why limit yourself? But yes, this idea of giving a part of your course away, I mean, literally just the other day, I saw somebody post in a thread about how, because I asked about in the Facebook group, I think I asked about pink spoons. And I think it was in that thread, somebody had said, yeah, somebody gave away this example of their course, like a section of it, and it compelled me to join the whole thing. You know, giving the best thing I found to sell my ebooks, because I tried a few different things, you know, Facebook ads and all this, and the excerpts, that was what sold them. If I did a post about, hey, I've got this ebook for sale, here's what it's about, here's the pitch, nobody buys. But when I did a really killer excerpt from it, it sold. So same with the course. If you want to say, hey, I've got this course and here's a part from it that I think is really useful to get you started, or the most immediately practical thing. Yes, I think well, I don't think, I know that does work to sell the course, and probably better than anything. Giving people an experience of something, a real taste of something. It's a difference between saying, hey, I've got this great dish I could cook for you, let me try to describe it, versus try a taste. Do you want me to make that for you? Great. It's the difference between them saying, we have dessert, would you like some? And then wheeling out that tray like the devils that they are, you know, so you can see it and it's right there. So yes.
Okay, good luck, Hillary and Mary, who had the same question.